We're just following up our meditation retreat. It's the next day, and we're going to Huay Kaew, Huay Kaew. Just a waterfall, but it's I think a Buddhist waterfall. They got the orange cloth tied around the trees, and it's meant to be peaceful and taking care of the forest, the trees, of the waterfall. A lot of monks go there to meditate, and other people as well. It's a good place to check out, and very close to the old city, easy to get to. What do you think of this place? Swimming and good. Apparently, that's not cool also. Yeah. No swimming around here. Watch your step, people. This is junk. Swimming pool. Just about to go for a little bit. Buddhist waterfall, Buddhist forest, orange cloth up around the trees to show a sign of protection of the trees. It's going to be quiet and peaceful. If this guy's jumping in, I'm going to jump in. Lucky enough to meet some novice monks. It was really cool. Showing me some of the tricks. Not supposed to be playing, jumping around, jumping into the water, just relaxing, being quiet. But they were more than happy to jump in and go down a rock water slide. Yeah, and then they kept on. More and more came. They were friendly. Some of them didn't want their picture taken or any video, but got to get a decent selfie with some of them. It's been a good day.